Hey, so today we're out here and we have a beautiful Vitex, also a chase tree. So this bad boy has been here for a really long time. There's just one really big problem. Those of you that have been listening to my YouTube channel or you've been checking us out on our Facebook page, you'll know that this tree is a beautiful tree other than it's in the wrong place, right? You say, well, Terry, it's not in the wrong place. It is in the wrong place, because if you saw this side where it's encroaching on the house, these folks just got gutters on their house, right? And so this tree here is going to be right up in the gutter. You see they have a night light right up here too, one of those big fancy LED night lights. That bad boy works great. There's just one thing, it's in the tree. Not going to do much good in the tree. So when you think about and you're laying out your landscape, think about and look for the details and the information on where things need to be planted. This tree is a great tree, beautiful tree. Matter of fact, the gutter guys, when they were here today, they actually had to cut some limbs off in order to get the gutter on the house, right? And so this tree is great, it's just in the wrong location. So keep in mind when you're out there, when you're getting your plants picked out, spring is almost here and people run to the store to buy those plants. Make sure you understand the right location. This particular tree, great tree, wrong location.